Hey everyone, welcome to our third video. It's Kayla.
I'm Nancy.
We're with Stampin' before anything else. This is our third card of the day. We posted 2 videos earlier. It looks like one of our
gems popped.
Yeah, we would never put 2 on a card.
Oh my god, forbid.
But we will be making this card in this video. Make sure to go check out the 2 previous ones we posted today. But you, in addition to making this, you have a chance to make this as well. All you have to do is purchase $35 in product with us between October 2nd and October 9th. The link to our store, online store, is in the description of this video. But we'll send you all the card supplies.
Yay.
Or the paper supplies to make the cards. We're also doing a grand prize giveaway, which you could see here. We'll talk about all the details about it now. But basically, to enter, all you have to do is comment and subscribe or follow us on our platform, and we will draw a winner on October 9th. So let's go ahead and make this fun but very green. And I love this card. It's really cute.
I thought it turned out really kind of cute. I'm not much of a green person, but I love this card. It turned out adorable. So, and this opens up. It's a 4 1/4 by 11, and it opens up this way. Kind of a different fun.
Love it.
Okay, so we're going to use our make and take supplies that you'll get in the mail. Free with a purchase of $35 before shipping and handling. And we're going to stamp on this particular piece.
And all the measurements are going to be provided on our blog, which is also in the description of this video for you to check out. Okay. And the designer series paper we're using is the Painted Christmas DSP. It's so cute. I think it's $11.50 for the pack. And you get a lot of paper in it. So if you're making Christmas cards or winter season cards, holiday cards, this is your go-to DSP. I'm telling you right now.
All right, so we're going to do our stamping. I'm going to take the strip and one of the basic whites. We're going to be using Shaded Spruce for our ink. And we're going to use To You and Yours on the inside. Perfect. And we're going to use Much Gratitude on the outside. Make sure I got that. Ooh, wow. It's really inky on that end.
Whoa.
Let's see if I get this on here, guys, without wobbling. Oh, look at that. Perfecto. I'll let you wash those off.
It's the simple things in life.
It is, really, when it comes to stamping. Because I'll show you when I made the sample, I kind of rocked the stamp and got ink a little all over. Okay, you know what? We're going to let this dry. We're going to put these pieces together. Now, you're going to have Shaded Spruce in 3 different sizes. And then you're going to have your designer series paper that's going to match up with each piece. All right, now we're just going to go ahead. Now, this is why I wanted to use my glue, because you got a little bit of time to work with it before it settles and dries. And when you're working with a short, small edge, or a thin edge like this, it makes it easier to wiggle it around until you get it even all the way around. That makes sense? Yes or no, Kayla?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, so we're going to do that again on this one. Okay, we are going to bring in our next piece, and we're going to adhere it onto the blank white piece. Again, we're going to be using our Tombow glue. Okay, now we're going to bring in our card base. Give this a good burnish. We're going to add this to the inside of the card. And for the front, we're going to adhere this on as well. All right, next we are just going to take glue and adhere these on. I'll bring in the sample here so you can see what I'm doing. All right, we're just going to start off with the big one. We're going to bring in our sentiment that we stamped at the beginning. And we're also going to put glue on the back of here. Now, if you want, you can put dimensionals on here. Just be aware that you have three different layers.
You really messed up there.
I did. Look at that. That's okay. Well, actually, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 layers.
10 with that
10
one.
with this one. So what I decided to do is I just put this and glued it on over all of them. And it worked out perfect.
10 layers. It doesn't even look like there's 10 layers on it. It's impressive.
Yeah. So we have that. Now, I'm going to bring this. Oh, I think I scared the cat. I'm going to bring this in here so I don't get sticky stuff all over. All right, now we're going to bring in our gems, and we're just going to put a couple of them on the front.
And what color, or what are those gems?
These are the 2021
to 23
in color
gems. And you're using the evening evergreen.
I am. And there we go. And I'm just gonna grab one for discard because that one got lost. Don't know where it went. Somebody got an extra green card, or green card. An extra green gem.
I love it. It's really, really cute. Oh my gosh. So if you want to get the make and take supplies for this card and the previous 2 cards that we showed today, all you have to do is shop with us online for at least $35 in products. Visit the link in the description or go to our blog for that. To shop online 24/7, you'll want to make sure your order's put through October 2nd through October 9th, and we'll send you all the paper supplies to make these cards for free. Plus, if you haven't commented on this video or any of our other videos, do that now so you get entered in for our grand prize drawing, which includes the Heartfelt Wishes stamp set, which Mom used with this card today. All the cards, actually. Basic white note card envelopes, rhinestones, real red ink pad, an eye block, which fits these stamps, and a brand new thing of Stampin' seal.
Now remember, these are going to be brand new, so you will not be getting our ink pad as much as you may like it. It's all inky.
You can't have it. It's ours.
You can have it.
So we'll be drawing the winner for this grand prize on October 9th at 1 p.m. Central Time on Facebook and YouTube Live. These are great basic supplies to get you started or add to your craft collection.
It is.
For extra entries, make sure you go to our Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram. Comment on all the videos there as well. They're the same videos, but it'll get you extra entries for actually a total of 9 entries. And Mom will show you here what you can make.
This is what we made with this one, to you and yours. And here's my mistake. I rocked it.
She rocked it.
No! But that's okay. It's on the envelope, you know, so.
Oh my gosh. But all the details for this card that we made today, all the cards, will be on our blog. Feel free to check it out. We like to have fun crafting, if you haven't noticed. So the next time we will see you is on October 9th at 1 p.m. Central Time to draw the winner of the grand prize. Thanks everyone. We hope you're having a great World Card Making Day.
Bye-bye.
Bye.